We're hoping to end youth homelessness throughout our community.
There's a huge problem in Central Texas that often goes unnoticed, and that is youth homelessness. The city of Waco is one step closer to helping solve that problem.
This after a $2.2 million grant was awarded to the city to help when it is needed most. Tonight, 25 News reporter Joel Lopez joins us live in downtown Waco to break this all down. Joel?
The $2 million grant from the Housing of Urban Development is being split off into 3 organizations here in Waco, all with the same goal: to provide housing for at-risk youth in the community.
A game changer in the fight to end youth homelessness. Waco was just one of 8 locations in the country to be selected to receive a $2.2 million grant by the U.S. Housing of Urban Development.
I think it not only says that there's a big need here, I think it says that we've had a really successful, unified, coordinated response from our community.
Ron Kimball is the division director for Clara's Center for Families, and along with the Heart of Texas MHMR, is receiving $1.7 million from the HUD grant. Kimball says from 2018 to 2019, there were at least 131 young adults in Central Texas, ages 16 to 24, that were found to be at risk of or literally homeless.
What we know about that age range is not only are you an increased risk in behavioral health difficulties, you're also oftentimes aging out of school, dropping out of school, aging out of juvenile justice programs, sometimes child protective service programs.
Thanks to the grant, Clara's Center for Families can continue focusing on mental health services, but also provide safe housing as well.
There are so many people in the city of Waco that care about them, that don't want them to feel like they do have to figure it out on their own, or that they have to give up.
Organizations like the Cove received over $300,000 from the grant. At the Cove, they provide just about every resource you can think of, from daily meals to books to a safe place for homeless youth to shower or wash their clothes.
And then having someone there to listen and to offer suggestions or resources that maybe they didn't know about.
With their cut of the grant, it'll allow the Cove to expand their hours of operations, as well as the range of school districts it helps. They'll also provide more staff and counselors for the youth.
Here at Family Abuse Center, I think we all feel like every day we save people's lives.
The Family Abuse Center received over $200,000 cut from the grant. They plan to help house youth who may be homeless due to domestic violence, letting survivors know they're not alone.
To see somebody come through the door who is demoralized and discouraged and has literally nothing, and you see them grow through the process of being supported, it's a huge change.
It's important to note that all 3 organizations benefiting from this grant are working together to best help find the resources to help the homeless youth. Reporting live in Waco, Joel Lopez, 25 News.